Yeah, so did you hear about Jerry? Jerry Cannonball? He was, he got into a fight with his brother out in the street, and he was taken to hospital, and I believe he is doing fine right now, but I'm not really sure. I'm wondering if the whole community should get together and maybe send him some flowers, or perhaps some chocolates of some kind, although I do not believe that I think he is lactose intolerant, so I don't know if we should send him milk chocolates, perhaps some sugar-free, because he may be a diabetic. I'm not entirely sure. I haven't had a chance to look at his medical history, but I think that a small stuffed animal could be a wonderful...
Hey, did anyone see my pet falcon?
I haven't seen him. Have you?
Guys are useless.
Eleanor, did you see a pet falcon land anywhere near us? I don't believe I did. That pet falcon of yours, does it by any chance, excuse me, sir, does that pet falcon of yours by any chance carry rabies?
No. Are you stupid or something?
No, I just want, excuse me, sir. Sir, wait, oh, excuse me.
Out of my way.
Sir.
What?
The falcon, does it, like, has its shots been, are its shots up to date? Do you have the paperwork for this bird so that perhaps I could take a quick glance at it just to ensure the safety of our community here?
You can take a quick glance at it if you see it, and then you can let me know quickly.
It is missing.
What?
It is missing.
Yeah?
Well, perhaps we should notify the authorities. Perhaps we should notify the authorities regarding its status as a...
What authorities are you talking about?
Well,
the Falcon authorities, or the air authorities, or the police?
The Civil Aviation Commission, maybe, of...
Those old geezers? They don't know nothing. See ya. Where's that falcon?
Sir?
He's gotta be around here somewhere.
I think you should... Sir, I think you should perhaps be on hand when I phone the police. The Coast Guard. And the National Guard. I think you should...
If you see my falcon, it answers to Cheapy. And he'll gouge your eyes out. They're too shiny, your eyes. He likes shiny things. He'll gouge them right out.
Did you say Cheapy?
Yeah.
His name is Cheapy?
What, is that your name?
No, it isn't.
Yeah, Cheapy. See ya.
What a funny person. I don't believe that I...
Cheapy! Cheapy! There he is. I see him. Cheapy! Where'd you go? There he is. Oh, Cheapy! Where are you going? Cheapy! Darn bird, never really trained well.
My God, he's got a gun.
What did you do? You're not gonna shoot Cheapy, are you?
Sir, could you please get rid of your gun? Wait, we're a peaceful community.
If you want to shoot Cheapy, just wing him, okay? I want him back.
Well, I don't know. I'm here to get that bird.
Yeah, well, me too. And I'd appreciate it if I got it back.
We don't really want the discharge of firearms in this community.
Just a bang.
I was hired to get that bird.
Yeah, well.
His name's Cheapy, you say?
Uh-huh.
I don't care what his name is.
You can call him Cheapo if you feel tougher.
Cheapo?
Cheapo Charlie or whatever. Anyway.
Cheapo Charlie. What are you on acid?
Cheapy!
I just came to rent an apartment. Shoot a bird. It's refrigerated.
No, it ain't actually. Cheapy! There you go!
Cheapy, wonderful Cheapy. He's the best bird in the world. A falcon who can always be counted on and can never be mean to you ever again.